all them man in their life for you, boom boom. I love it so much. Let me see if I can.
Swipe up, tag your friends, like and subscribe, comment below. If I make this follow, don't let this flop, wait till the end, like for part 2. I'm going viral, viral.
See a huge bump that has formed, right? Some more popping up.
Let me see.
Like here. You see? It hurts. And one, it hurts, yeah. Cause my birth is already now and it's still swell up back. And I've been picking right here on my face. I'm not going anywhere, Papa.
24 hours later.
So I've been watching Jordan Peterson. I just watched one video that he did with this, like, I've always seen his stuff on Instagram, like the videos that him do, but I didn't know that he was Jordan Peterson. I didn't know that he was like a big person. I just love his talks on Instagram. I use his songs on Instagram, but he's a big deal. And I'm a huge fan. Yes, Mr. Peterson. I am in complete agreement. Well, let me listen to some more stuff. But so far, Jordan Peterson, Matt Walsh. Again, I don't know how Ben Shapiro is just weird to me. But and Brett. I love Brett, and I love Blair White. I used to love Gigi Gorgeous, so I love Blair White. But I haven't been watching Gigi for a really long time. And I just watch back some of her old stuff just for the nostalgia or whatever. But Blair White, I love watching. And Jonathan said, Mommy, why are you always watching her video? And I explained to him about transgenders and homosexuality, lesbianism. Everything is open because remember, if you don't teach your children, these people out the road will take and turn and twist it, putting them all over the place. And the Bible says it. The Bible says, train a child in the way that he should go, so that when he's old, he won't depart from it. So even though my parenting might be askew, but I'm just going by what the Bible says. I fall short a lot of times, but that's why I say what the Bible says, because if I do it by me, I'm going to frig up. So I have to just follow that, and in following that, I'm learning to control my anger when I'm around them, to not just hit them because I'm annoyed, but because they're deserving, and how to have conversations. This might come as a shock, but I don't like hitting the boys. I don't like beating them. It is very reminiscent. I don't like doing it at all. To me, it's a last resort, or when I'm frustrated enough. When I'm frustrated enough, I do apologize, because I'm an adult. I can't curtail my emotions. But yeah. So what's his face? Jordan Peterson. Yeah.
Girl, I saw you staring at me from the other side, and I don't know about you, but I got butterflies. Damn, I don't got game, but I feel you would like to play. So I pass go, and I collect 200 on the way. I know I probably jumped too many spaces, but you can't be replaced. You're a superstar, and I can feel you in my arms. Moving to a brand new song, the beat is pounding out my heart. Funky until it's gone, and I can say what we'll become.
The next day.
Sausage over the yard. I might have to come back later for juice. Come on, grab $100.
So you still do your FaceTime and everything, you say?
Yeah, well, I still vlog. Egg, this, I have sugar.
Yeah, bread.
Yeah.
Are
you? Yeah, make say what you can. Sure. YouTube, you know, we think gone large. YouTube on them. Sure.
Yeah.
That's a Claudia husband, my nigga. He's so nice. And I'm not look here. That make me feel comfortable. Hey, say I'm going to shop and the man look me, I go back. Can you man they don't know if you keep it one place. And a wise nigga told me, oh my God, I have something to tell you guys. I've been facing some horrible realities. Like all the niggas in my life want to smash. And if you're a girl, I'm going to tell you the same. Well, go on there. If you're a girl, I'm going to tell you the same thing. I'm going to get egg and butter and coffee. Tall. It just tastes like chocolate, and it tastes like coffee. I'm going to put them egg for boil for the boys. I'm going to do the 2 in the fridge. I'm going to put on, I buy 4 a while ago and something there. So I put on them 3 in the fridge and then boil them 3, yeah. I probably boil more than 3. I probably boil 4 because I really love the egg. I'm going to cut it out. So boil it to the sausage. No, I'm not put the sausage in the microwave and get them like for hot dog. Oh, I think what are the aunt? Every time for me? I think they have clothes around here.
No, we have clothes off. Don't close it.
Jaleel, tell grandma that the water is ready. Yes, Kiama. Kiama, I go buy a Claudia a while ago. 2. 2. I'm gonna buy 4. When I do boil egg, the boy them always want, Jelly always want more than 1.
I want to do it. Yes, the next one you'll do. I lift you up so that you can do it, okay?
Okay?
That's your mom.
No, my precious grandma.
Yes, your mom. My precious grandma, I love you. I love you too, my precious grandson. My scammer grandson.
Yeah, I'm a chopper grandson. Jump up. Yes.
How?
It's just how the toasters are made, so that once the bread is finished, it pushes it out of it.
They're a papa.
And the bread is so excited to come out of the toaster, it's jumping out of the toaster, brother. Bless her.
That's it, Pop.
I would say it shall not come near my dwelling. Some people believe that, yeah, and it not come near them at all.
And if nobody is not going to leave me, can't think on my mouth. And then last night he eat out that cabbage and rice.
Him let me talk?
Clean and he come back.
What?
Oh God, the cabbage and rice. More.
No, see, the toast okay. One for you and one here. Go outside. One of these for you for John.
From when? From last into my body now feel so good from last
And
week.
then the lady come in last night and he mix up one piece of mixing thing there.
Turmeric is good.
Yeah.
So you're going to save just a tubs of this thingy? Okay.
Yeah, I give you John and some for him doing
Yeah.
I just put it out. Oh, she come out, it may take go to the fridge. You have to ask my mother one in the kitchen, they can't take up some and adjust. You know, I drink some and it feel like it make me sick. I do it for 2 days straight because of the milk.
Then you
and
can't drink your thing there.
Yeah, and even with TLC, my TLC starts to swell my belly now, so I'm afraid to drink it.
You want time or time?
Why me after in a time out? Jonathan say
for you? Here.
or on Instagram.
Daddy, that's not your sweet, that's your
I call him his in name like that. Him get up out of the chair, I'ma fix the fan. What you call him name for? Don't call him name. If I'm gonna defend him, alright. My director say my mother. Don't call him name, so I don't like when I call him name. I keep sound like him in trouble. I don't know if I call him name calm. Jaleel, want to watch Vlad and Nikki? Say yes, no?
Yes.
I can't but I find nothing else.
Yes. Yes.
Hello, and thank you so much for tuning in to the Prophetic Marriage Ministry channel.
You want
My
tea
name
too?
is Shannon, and if this is your
You
first
want
time,
some
I want to
tea or
welcome
tea
you to my
white?
channel. So the Lord gave me a
Mommy,
prophetic
yeah,
word
do more
today.
toast bread?
Well, He actually gave it to me a couple of
God.
weeks ago. And this is very interesting because He gave it to me by way of a song. And He wanted me to communicate with you all and let you know that this is how your kingdom spouse is feeling about you. When I read these lyrics, a lot of you are going to be like, oh my goodness, like, this is how my spouse feels, or this is how I know they feel, or I can relate to certain parts of this song. God is like, I know it's not a Christian song, but this is how your spouse feels. This is what's going on right now. So this song is called Incomplete. And if you've been following this ministry and watching
Several days later.
Oh, Arden, that's blue. Okay. I was thinking, what the burger in school name? Arden. No, St. Andrew. As we see this. Can look at it a little bit better. You like it? Yeah.
It's really nice.
Oh, thank you. You're so pretty. Your brows are hella thick. You know that, right? No. I'm just saying, they got shit with me, baby. That's. I don't know how to take this off. Yeah. Mommy say, I must help you with the curls.
Yeah. I don't know what that means.
Yeah. She said, style, I'm going to make can't style. We can probably take out the some of them and then we'll just feel up right here. But the styling, it's not too much here, some pressure. What is it bad?
Just saw the photos was that.
Photos, them start take the picture them 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
Jesus,
So the
that's
boys take their photos first. Since there's a little bit of them and there's a lot of girls. So
I feel bad for the boy that for Arden, you know. I feel like it's a girls' school. Like, oh, Arden.
Right? Everybody always say that.
That's
They
so
always say.
cute.
I'm like, what, guys?
But you're straight. That's fine too. Yeah, you know, deny. Don't be crazy. So now we're just going to do that, right?
Right. Like when mom started her hair, she can start herself, but what she didn't know, she's like, I don't know how to do that, so I'm gonna send somebody to make me better. I'm like, okay. And then she was like, come get her. I was like, what?
You might have been a plan this, my love. But if you come there this morning at the school, I mean, they make up this morning at the school, I see him at auntie 6 o'clock work. I had mama call her father. I had in here, sure. I'm going to prep my taxi man from last time. I said, Dad, you're on 5 o'clock tomorrow, man. Yeah, I'm at work. So I tell her, I'm going to prep my taxi man. She said, let me just talk to my husband first and see what can be done. I love. Can we take pictures outside?
Sure.
Good.
Thank you. I really love it. Like, when I saw the bros, I was like, what?
Thank you. Okay, so I'll finish now. Thank you so much, Princess. You want a piece more, right? You did again? Lord God, they're going to lose a match. You just put it down and they will start fresh, here. Just put it down and go and pay skills and start fresh. You might lose that one, it can't work. I'm letting my hair breathe. I'm so proud of it.
That's with my money.
You buy it?
Yeah.
How much you pay for it?
99,000. What? It's 99,000.
It's so cute.
Me?
Eventually.
Why are you crying?
Because I want the little coconut.
You don't want it? You want the little coconut?
No.
You want a lot? So eat off that and then go for more. That's what's going to happen, Papa. Just eat a lot and then we'll go for more.
Because I'm sad.
Tell him why you're sad. Come tell him why you're sad.
Because I want a lot of coconut.
But you eat some of the coconut now, and then when you're done with that, you get the rest for later, Jaleel. Sometimes when you give her the food one time, you don't eat it off, Papa. That's what we're avoiding. So once you want more, you know, we will give you more. But finish off that first. As long as that's finished, you get more and more, okay? You understand?
You just did to a girl.
You died to a girl? It's hella watery. Sit down. Sit down right this one.
My brain said, look at it.
Jaleel, eat it. I can eat it?
What do you think?
Eat it.
Should I stay here?
Come, Big bite now? Bite. Yeah.
Right. Decisions and advice from Russia. Widow Fisher completely safe.
That's all I'm here.
Eat my coconut?
Leave out your coconut in the fridge.
Widow Fisher, how many times do I got to tell
Last night, after you told me not to go into the deep dark woods.
Jelly loves fruits, anything natural, coconut, the coconut water. Him that. Look where I'm going with the. So I just bought this scrub. I wanted just a scrub for my face because I know my face needed it. I didn't even start use sugar at one point. I don't know some of that, but you buy that Ambi soap here from when. So the Ambi soap I use, I'm just start use this scrub with it. Admittedly, I have used this exfoliant about 3 times already in one day. So I need to slow down. I will get micro tears, and that will make the acne gets worse, like the scarring gets worse, everything gets worse. So while I have it on, I just go out and do some chores like sweep out the house and put on my fitness belt. Oh, I'm gonna start back drink my tea. I can leave my link in the description. Whenever you purchase, I'm using M.I.L.F. I make money from it still. With TLC, this is a detox, and even though this does make me bloat because I had the milk before, and I think I explained this is going to help me to just flush the milk out my system even more. Plus, it's that time of the month, sorry for the TMI, but this helps as well with me bloating, as well as the method I'll be using, the double band method that I'll be using my Puma Fitness belts. This is what I do whenever I am, on my cycle. It keeps my tummy flat. The junk, oh my god, my appetite. A beer junk food may I eat, brother, because oh my gosh, it's ridiculous. So this is what my body looks like before the belt, and of course is what my body it's really good. It's what my body looks like when it's all cinched. And I had it done like this for I think an hour and a half or 2 hours or so, and my belly was on flat, and that's what I love about the double band method. This is good enough because it's elastic, so you can sleep in it, move around in it, work out in it, jog, everything. But babe, sleep in, no, I need to be a little bit more compressed. Also, people always ask me if it flips up. Yes, it flips up on me, and I just adjust it. To me, it's similar to when like your clothes needs to be adjusted throughout the day, and you adjust your clothes and move on throughout the day. To me, it's nothing different. It is a body contouring garment as well. This is the old Puma Fitness design that I have, and the new one that I have now. They are for $8,000. I don't think they're sold as it. I'm only doing for Jamaica. I'm not shipping abroad. So I'm using Knutsford. I'm using delivering to you guys, and of course my teas. I'm not delivering them. The TLC, the IACT, you can click the link in my bio to purchase. I recommend the detox teas, any one of them, the instant ones that I add water with, and I also recommend the NRG and the NutriBurst. Those make you burn fat really quickly. If you want rapid fat burning and fat loss, then get the Diet Duo pack. It's now like 2:05. I have, today's a long work day. Grandma have Wolipa vitamin stuff. She have this multivite. She have this, and she has melatonin, zinc, magnesium. So suffice to say, I have increased my vitamin intake because of the gummies, and now I'm gonna have to get vitamin gummies because the boys love these. So I'm going to do one of each, and I'm gonna like 2 or 3. So I'm going to do one just for you guys, because I'm telling you, we eat these like real gummy bears. So I'm just going to do one of each for you guys, and then I'm going to do the melatonin. I've been up since 2 a.m. I've been up since I've been up since after 2. Go to the bathroom. Jolly kind of wake up too. Him ask what's on my phone, tell him no. So I'm not going to bed. The melatonin will help me to go back to sleep. Melatonin. Wash up the plate then before mama wake up. It's after 4 in the morning. And I'm not going to lie down. I'm wearing my fitness belt because I'm very bloated. And yesterday I had milk twice. So I know my body didn't pay for it. So I took the tea this morning to help pass up milk through my system much quicker. I'm always training. I'm double banding because I'm bloated from the milk, and TLC makes me bloat now. So I'm banding to, it's like a precursor to what's about to happen. I finished the dishes. I'm going to wash my sweat. I'm going to wash off my face now. So any face oil I have, well, I use face oils. I can use like a regular moisturizer or whatever. Alright, watch this big ass bump. My birds and so this now is the, I put in a shampoo bottle, but this is my my edge mist. So I'm going to lie down now and fall asleep, hopefully. Something that I thought would have worked out has not worked out as yet. So I'm gonna have to put my brains and heads together later and figure out how to make that work out. So hopefully I can fall asleep because I've been up since 2 a.m. It's now almost 5 o'clock. I've been up for almost 3 hours. The boys are sleeping. Very much asleep.
A few moments later.
Swipe up, tag your friends, like and subscribe, comment below. If I make this follow, don't let this flop, wait till the end, like for part 2. I'm going viral, I'm going viral.